Hey Betty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing date night at NYC Trendy Hotel Tour with Queen and Clarence. Let's get into it.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another video, and back with another one. As y'all can see, we are actually
back with another one.
At a hotel that we chose to stay in NYC. We're about to show y'all our room. This is going to be a room tour. This is like the hotel that all the influencers go to. We've seen it on TikTok, and it looks really aesthetically pleasing to us. So let us know what y'all think.
Yeah, and rate it.
Rate this room. I will say it is a little bit small, but it's around.
Everything in New York is very small.
Oh.
Just let you know.
Okay.
It's really hard to get a hotel room that's big in New York. You have to go to like Jersey.
Yeah, it's a little small, but it's upscale.
It looks.
And it's surrounded in a really good, like, it's around everything basically. So that's what we paying for because it was expensive. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell so you guys can know when we post the next time. Babe, oh my.
Hit the bell.
I'm hurt when I hold this camera.
Oh dang, I'm sorry your arm hurt, girl.
Yeah, I got a ski mask on because we've been traveling all day and my hair been under this thing, so it dead ass look like I got waves right now, and I don't like it.
When he take it off and they'll rub it out, he said he like.
Yeah, look, I'll show you guys. I'm not ashamed.
Good.
I look like I got.
Wow, Claire. Petty fams, sir. Yeah, put that back on, sweetheart.
Electrocuted.
You walk around here looking peasy.
You feel me? I got.
He need a hat.
Hop in the shower and do my hair and shit. So, but I did come here. I'm gonna get a haircut. Y'all know that. John special. Pause.
I'm getting a haircut too.
You know what I'm saying? But let's get into this room tour though. Can you hold this so I can get my ski back on?
And y'all, we just had to hurry up and do this because we need to lay down. We're tired. And we're going to dinner tonight on a little date. So we want to do this for y'all before we messed up the bed.
It's kind of like we fake snuck out here in New York. Like we're not with no security. All we got is the driver, and we're just
us and the driver moving around like how we used to do.
Like how we used to do. We wanted to feel a little
free.
You know what I'm saying? When you got security.
That's so funny because he said everything that she said like she didn't just say it. That's when you know you're on the same brain.
Like,
Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there.
That's dangerous. That's dangerous. Like,
shoot, y'all could do that for me. I need security because I don't want to be going to where I should be going.
Just wanted to be free.
And he pulled up with no jewelry.
Yeah, I didn't bring no jewelry. Just being smart.
What? Claire don't have no jewelry? Come on now. Claire don't have no jewelry.
You know what I mean? I don't want to bring no extra attention to me.
Although he got us.
That's smart though. That is smart. Don't be bringing no extra attention, especially when you don't have security. We need y'all to be safe.
Whole ski mask, and he did bring attention to him.
I brought some jewelry, but I didn't bring like, you know.
Yeah. He brought the Apple Watch for sure.
No, I brought a rollie.
Oh, okay. The plain Jane, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Ready? Drum roll.
Drum roll.
Are y'all ready? Let's see this room.
Let's go. All right, so when we first walk in,
nice hardwood floors.
It's just a burst of brightness. Like the floor, look at the floors. As y'all can see, this is a wood room. And as soon as you walk in, there is a mirror and these like bamboo type wooden walls. Do that again, babe. Do that again. Cause what? That was real frisky.
Sexy?
Like, yeah, that was sexy.
You just pulled up and I was like, so.
And you just made that sound? I was so jumping the bed with you.
Okay, cool.
These are little cabinets. I don't know, we probably ain't gonna ever use them. Those little, a nice little blow dryer.
I thought there was gonna be a microwave in here.
We should definitely ask for a microwave because we got pizza. And then if you look over here, we can see our reflection. Like, I don't know what it is with these hotels and reflection, but I like it.
I like it.
But if you slide this open.
We're going to be a little fancy and we're going to call this the powder room.
This is the powder room.
This is the powder room.
This is the powder room. Ooh, fancy. Oh, Okay, powder room. I see y'all.
This is right here. Is your, what do they call this?
This is
wash?
a wash
A water
bowl.
closet.
A what?
Isn't it a water
A
closet?
water closet? I never
Y'all heard of a water closet before? I don't know.
heard of that.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging.
That's where you do your little tinkles and sprinkles.
That's where all the magic happens.
Yeah, and then
this is the shower, which is very tiny.
yeah, go inside.
It fits like 1.5 persons. So like one person and then maybe like a smaller person.
I feel like it could kind of fit me and you in there. We would be tight though.
Yeah, it would be.
But we used to that.
Yeah, it's cool though.
Welcome to the. Hold on, let me open the drapery. Now look at that, y'all. First of all, I just want to say I love this delicate. I love this little box thing. This box thing that the bed is inside of. We've seen this on TikTok and I thought it was really nice and it looks just as good in person. As y'all can see, we have not laid on the bed yet. There's a TV inside the wall, which is a smart TV. And you can control it
That looks like a floating bed, y'all.
from, I don't know, you can control it from something.
And you could hook up music right there.
Yeah.
Not a lot of hotels let you do that. Hook your phone up to the.
Yeah. We have a really nice
city view.
We have a city view, y'all. Like, look at that. That's nice. It's gonna probably look even better at night. They have a rooftop up there. It's almost sunset time, so I think that's really dope to wake up, you know, to that. Let me come on this side so y'all can see it from this angle.
As you guys know, me and Queen, we're really big readers. So like when we read, boom. You know what I'm saying?
When we read, we got a little night light. Yeah, you see that?
Night light.
Probably read about 7 books on this trip.
For sure. Right on my phone. A nice little couch. I mean, we gotta take turns using a chair, but you know.
Really like, you know?
Yeah.
Really chill.
We got some.
This is how Keith Lee be on TikTok. This is the food guy that I be showing you. You like this?
With the hands.
Yeah.
They also have filtered water in an essentials closet. Hold on. Enjoy chill filtered water in the essentials closet opposite of the guest room, ending in 15. Oh, babe, look at you. Now stop.
Okay.
It's my camera.
Okay, I didn't think they could see me.
They can see you.
Yeah, so that's it.
That is all. That's the room. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys.
I know it's kind of small. You guys probably saying like, wow, that's not real. You know what I'm saying? But
That ain't nothing, but y'all know.
But you want to show me? You want me to do it?
Huh?
You want me to do it?
I want you to do it.
So
I know
Oh, it's another room. I was wondering if that wall moved or something.
it's only 2 of us, but we have a connecting room as well.
yeah, we got the suite, and I guess this is what come with the suite. When Queen booked it though, it was supposed to be a couch, kind of in that.
Yeah,
box,
it was supposed to be a couch in here and then the bed in there.
But
instead, it's a bed in here and a bed in here.
we could have switched rooms, but it would have been on the 3rd floor.
And we want it to be high up.
We rather the view. You know what I'm saying? So fuck, we're gonna have 2 beds. We're just gonna sleep in one night.
Yeah.
And the other night sleep in the other one. Queen likes this one more.
I like that one more.
Let me know in the comment section which bed.
Do you guys like hold on. Do you guys like this bed more?
The bed with the window, that one.
Or do you guys like this bed more? Babe, to be honest, I would love a bed like this in a house.
Yeah, this is fun. But this is like low key. You see how you don't see the edges? I like that.
Yeah, just like kind of floating.
And then, so this is the bed right here, which it has also another view. If Queen comes over here, around here. That's, damn, God, I believe we're high up. All right. Another city view. You know what I'm saying? We can actually see these people right here laying down.
They laying down?
Cool.
Oh,
You sure can see him. Man. But I like that. That's a nice view too. It's a bigger bed.
his foot.
They're laying down too.
Oh.
Hey.
I see a dog. Oh, and we have a little sofa area. So if we order our food, we can sit there and eat our pizza. I think this is a really cute hotel. Hold on, let me get it from this angle. So like, you know, the couch. And I really do feel like at night it's gonna look a lot better, y'all, because you know, just the lights and stuff, the way it's gonna glow. Also, I know we had a little powder room in the last room, but here, you wanna show them the closet? You okay?
Yeah, I was just fixing because my beard looked like cubic here.
This is a little closet.
So another closet. Got a little full mirror right here.
Safe.
So you get to see what you're wearing, how you look. Very key. A lot of hotels don't think about it. They be giving you the half shit, or you got to look at yourself in the bathroom and then stand on top of the bathtub. Very key though. I like that. This is a little sink, another little sink. We got our cuts and slices in here. Queen's brownie.
Yeah, we just put it here to get it away from everything else.
Little sink. Now this bathroom is much bigger
than the other one.
Yeah, this one you kind of.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
You get a tub. Nice little soap tub.
I must say though, one thing is everything is very clean.
Yeah.
Now sometimes you go to a hotel, it be like
little dark mark rims.
Sometimes like it be things that you can't really get rid of, like the bathtub be yellow, or like you ever seen that?
Yeah,
like, it be nice ass hotels and like,
or like even a shower head is like really dirty. You know what I'm saying?
Everything's really clean.
Nice clean shower heads.
Really like.
And then
we got towels there. We put our bags here so it won't be in the
right.
Don't call us dirty in the comment section.
Right.
Like, yo, why you have bags next to the toilet? There's gonna be mad shit on your bags. Don't, like, bro, we just put this here for the video. I don't even know what this is. Like, is someone looking at me?
I think that's a flush.
It's a weird looking toilet. But
yeah, I never seen that's like a mailbox.
it's like a U shape.
Yeah.
Like somebody's mouth.
Man, I must say you just got fresh out the pen. Like with this thing on it. Oh yeah, you like got fresh out the pen.
Yeah, so just let us know how what you guys think about it. Like, rate it from 1 to 10. I think we've stayed in a lot of hotels. This probably would be like an 8 for me.
Yeah,
like an 8.
I would rate it like an 8.
Like an 8. Yeah.
I will say that like in New York, this is. I feel like this is the best hotel we stayed in New York for sure.
Yeah. Usually the hotels in New York.
I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. You know what though? Wait. We had a nice one in New York before. I think y'all seen what was in a bathtub and stuff. But I feel like that just wasn't as clean because of the carpet and like carpets are usually not as clean as just hardwood floors. So.
And I think we're in a better area. This one's in a better area for sure.
Yeah, well, we can just go down and walk down to restaurants if we want.
We're literally in NoHo. Like we're in the middle of everything.
Oh wait, I didn't show them. I really like these ceilings. I don't know, it like gives a loft feel. So this is our room, y'all. This is our room tour.
Now, man, I've been fiending to.
We haven't sat on the bed yet,
bro. That's one thing I know. Y'all probably don't know about these room tours. You literally got to do it when you first get to the room, and you can't mess it up, because then it's like it never looks the same again. So you have to do it. So we haven't been able to relax, but now we are gonna be able to relax. And
that's a good tip, Claire. Thanks. So if I ever do a room tour, I'm gonna do it at the very beginning.
Close some curtains, get butt naked.
Lay down. Yes, get butt naked.
Queen and Claire about to take a nap, y'all.
And just watch some TV until dinner tonight.
Until dinner, which is only 4 minutes away, guys. That's how convenient this place is.
Yeah, we're about to have some Italian food tonight.
Italiano.
We're feeling very. What's the word I'm looking for?
Upscale.
Very. I need an Italian word. Very. Familiar.
Familia. Italiano. Yeah, we don't know, y'all.
They don't know. Just stop, please.
We need to go to bed, to be honest.
Tired. Very tired.
They sleepy. They very tired and they need a nap.
Yeah, I know the camera's not on me too, but I was just trying.
Queen's been not trying to show herself.
No, I haven't. It's just I'm just really tired. Like it's giving y'all ever seen Medea? You know that movie Medea? Was it Diary of a Mad Black Woman? And like the lady came to church singing. The mom.
Talking about the crackhead?
Yeah, that's what it's giving right now. To be honest, so that's definitely what's giving.
Which bed you trying to lay in first?
I want to lay in this bed.
Let's do it.
I want to lay in this bed. So y'all, we are gonna lay in this bed. We're not gonna end this video just yet. Maybe show you guys after we get dressed. Show you guys how it looks when the sun goes down. And this camera always don't want to focus.
We're definitely gonna show you how it look at night.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys how it look at night in the next clip. Oh, by the way, this is how it looks when we first walk into the lobby. So these are like some. It shows like, oh, the Popular. I want to eat there, babe.
Yeah, Yes, sir, we can.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all in the next clip. Babe, put your hand up. I want your hand to be in here. 1, 2, 3. Like black it out. Ready? All right, peace out. Fast forward, we actually had reservations at this nice Italian restaurant at 9:30, and guess what we did? We took a nap and we overslept. But luckily there was another reservation. I'm just showing y'all the how we just had a good time. Well, we ain't do nothing, but we slept. But it was really comfortable, and we just fell asleep and slept over. But they had reservations at 10:30, so we are now. Clarence is now trying to rush and do his hair and stuff because they got a 15-minute grace period. And check out the rigs though. These are fire. These are the leather ones, right?
Yeah.
He wants them in black, but I really like the green. I got on, y'all know, I had these on the last vlog. I really like these too. It's somewhat, somewhat matching a little bit with the rigs. You ready? This is the room at night though. It's we don't got the curtains open, but I'm sure
that's nice.
If you look out, it's really nice out there. Oh shoot. It's a night view. I guess you
I like skyscrapers. You can see the lights at night, and they just light up the city.
can't really see unless the lights off, but we just made it to our reservation. We're at this place called Il Buco. It's an Italian Mediterranean restaurant, and y'all, the kitchen literally just actually just closed, huh? I'm sorry, you want me to? Oh, so amazing. Thank you.
I'm shocked. I've never seen a full. I've never honestly admire as fuck. That's amazing.
Thank you. She loves the camera. But the kitchen closed when we got here, but they made an exception for us and let us just hurry up and order. We kind of already knew what we was gonna get because we looked at the menu before we got here earlier, before our nap. But babe, what do you think about the place? First impression?
It look like they know what they're doing here. It look like we're really in Italy or some shit.
I like how small it is and how small the menu is.
It's mad intimate.
They got the fresh veggies in the back. Ooh.
Thank you, sir.
Salad. This is a Caesar kale salad, y'all. We're about to eat up real quick. We finally got our food back. This is Wagyu skirt steak. This is a black truffle pasta. It's some fancy word, but I can't pronounce it.
Pasta with butter and black truffle.
Pasta with butter and black, and what is called what?
Tartellini.
Tartellini.
I'm making shit up now. Taste it, boy. Make sure it's good for you. It's good. What does it taste like? Pasta and butter.
You want this part too, babe?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. See you play.
Just a little ado. That right there. Thank you.
Go ahead and comment if y'all share y'all plate with people at your table.
Oh my god. Broccoli and parmesan, your favorite.
So we just came back from the restaurant, chilling in this lobby. We got some nice little Spanish music going on. The ambiance and of everything is really nice here. They also have a rooftop, closes at 2 or 3 in the morning, but we'll probably do that another time. The food was so amazing. Man, I would go again.
Yeah, we had a good dinner.
We had a really nice
This is
dinner.
definitely copyrighted music.
Oh.
Glad y'all enjoyed y'all trip.
Vibing though. You see us vibing, no security.
Wait, is this a part of the room tour vlog, or is this the part of the vlog for tomorrow? Maybe let's start with tomorrow. Alright, we will I don't know, should we just end this one out? It'll be okay, right? Alright, we're gonna end out this vlog, start a new one tomorrow.
Bye, Petty fam. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto squad. I like the little Spanish music vibe at the end.